Let's make delicious marble steak. First, start by preparing the ingredients for the marinade. Start chopping some fresh rosemary. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, followed by 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Then pour some soy sauce to enhance the taste. Add fair amount of oil. Mix it well. It will be used to marinate the beef steak. Wow! Look at this beautiful marble beef steak. Slice it evenly.
Did somebody say food? Give me some. Give me some. Hurry, human. I don't have patience. Fine, I'll just lie down here.
Massage the marinade into the steak. Make sure to get it everywhere. Marinate for 3 to 10 hours. It's time for cooking the beef steak. Start by adding butter to the pan. Place the marinated beef steak on the hot pan. Time to turn them to cook the other side. Chop some onions. Add all the vegetables in a tray covered with aluminum foil. Add asparagus on top of the onions. Add sliced potatoes on top of the asparagus. Add more asparagus. Pour soy sauce evenly on top. Now pour some oil. Finish it off by adding some salt on top. Look at that beautiful color of the beef steak. It looks juicy. Place all the steaks on top of the vegetables. Lastly, place the tray in the oven and bake it for 1 hour 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Looks incredibly mouth-watering.